Hey there, it's Caitlin, SnapEd Nutrition Educator here in Waldo County, Maine. I've got an awesome recipe for you today. We're making breakfast cookies. If you've got bananas like mine, those brown ones, this is a great recipe to use them up. It's basically just oats, bananas, and whatever flavorings you want. There's my little guy Ronan, helping again.
Mama, how I tried?
No, buddy, we're filming, remember? I love my little helper. You'll see in the description box below that it called for raisins. I had a little bit of chocolate chips left in. I was actually making these more like celebration cookies than breakfast cookies, so I thought it would be okay. So yeah, I'm just trying to mash in the bananas here. You see how it's all dry and the oats are kind of falling out all over the place? We gotta mash the banana enough to get enough moisture out that doesn't happen anymore, that the oats are all sticking together. So we'll just speed this up a little bit. And there you have it. Once it starts making that like smushy batter sound, you'll know it's ready. All right, that's looking just about good. Let's get this scooped out on the pan. And apparently I forgot how finger snaps work by the time I shot that second one, but here you go. I scooped them out. I just made 6 big cookies because I wanted them to stay moist. I didn't want them to dry out, so I made sure that they stayed pretty thick and chunky. And then we just put them in the oven. I believe it was 350, but double check the description box for the link for the recipe. And there you have it, guys. So simple. Thank you so much for watching. As always, post your creations to social media with the hashtag MaineSnapEd and head to mainesnaped.org for more.